Hey, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you the Lympo app. So as you can see here, we have the challenges, couple of challenges, and here at the top you can see how many points I do have. 1,300 points. Here you can see the step that I got for today, which are 8,914 step, which is equal to 4.18 miles. So I can use those steps to complete any challenge here. So for example, this challenge is 1.56 mile and will reward me 8 points. I will burn 172 calories. So let's join that challenge. Okay, joining the challenge. Can use here the steps. I don't want the deal. Okay. So I have completed the challenge. So now you see over there that now I have 1,316 points. Okay, I have 2.54 miles that I can still use. That one gave me 3.6 points. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. That one is done. How many do I have? 1.76 mile. Okay, I think that I can do this one. Done. So guys, that is how you do the challenges here in the app. So I have 1.13 miles, but now let me show you the chop. So you can see let's go here. There are some healthy bars like granola bars and some discount. Here in the electronic, I'll show you the electronics. Have some Beats by Dr. Dre, have Fitbit, Beats, Garmin Vivo Active, Garmin Instinct, some couple of watch, some earbuds, Galaxy Watch earbuds, Galaxy Watch, Samsung, some smartphone. Got some sneaker too. Let me show you the sneakers. See, they have some beautiful sneakers on Nike. So guys, if you are interested in this, go ahead and click on the link in the description down below and download this app, this amazing app. So go ahead and see you